And here we are with another simple project. We have a water heater that's not lit. So the first step is, and I've already checked and I do have gas coming out. And so this is one of those without the clicker. This isn't the newest type of water heater that has the spark igniter on it. It's a very simple procedure. You push down on this valve here, put the fire in there, hold down the valve, and ignite the pilot. And hold down the valve for a total of 60 seconds. (30 to 60 seconds usually. And thanks to time lapse. Okay, we've used our time up. And now we will just turn the valve to the on position, and as you can see, we have a nice flame. And we're going to set this about A. Between hot and very hot is A, B, and C on this one. And we're going to go with the A and see how that does for her. And there we have it. And we just put the cover back on and we will be all set.